Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can check your network connection on your PC. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, head on over to the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen, then right click on it and tap on Settings. Under Settings, you'll be able to see Network and Internet. Tap on it. Now, if you're connected to any type of network, it will show up over here. If you want to view the properties of this network, go ahead and click on Properties. As you can see, all the properties of your network connection will appear over here. Another way you can view your network connection is to go to the side of your taskbar. You'll be able to see the internet access icon, right click on it and select Open Network and Internet Settings. After that, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Click on your Wi-Fi name or your internet name, and you'll be able to see the properties of this internet. You can also view this in detail by tapping on the Details button. As you can see, it gives you a more depth information about your network connection, and this is how you can check your network connection on your PC. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.